Greetings, YouTubers. How's it going out there in YouTube land? Hopefully everybody's doing pretty good. Let's just jump right into the video today. We are kind of tinkering here with the old Trailblazer, the 2002. Got into an accident 4 weeks back. Kind of messed up the front end. Got it all back together and everything. Had the airbags deployed and all that. And I just picked up a couple of airbags, popped them back in here. Pretty easy to do on this side. That side over there, it's pretty hard to get your hands up in there, but it will. I get it done. That's an entirely different video itself. But the purpose of this video is we're getting the airbag light off. A lot of times when you get into accidents and you have these little sensors on the front, these crash sensors on the front bumper. And by the way, I found out if these are not destroyed, you can actually reuse these, because I went out and bought two different ones on eBay, same part number, put them on there, and got the part of the light off, the code off. I had a couple codes, and I got one code left, and I'll show you here in a second. So these were my old ones. I put a D driver's side and a P for passenger side on here. And I thought, well, I'll hook these back in here, and these are still good. So I got a couple extra ones here somebody might want. But basically what I have going on now is still got the airbag light on, and I have a code here on my code reader. It is a B0051 deployment command. And basically what happens when you get into an accident, those sensors on the front of your vehicle, crash bar or whatever, they send a command, and they have little G-force switches in there or something, I'm not sure. But they send the command down to the SRS airbag computer, and that basically tells the airbags to go poof, they come out and all that. So it doesn't take much of a hit. So I have no way to get that code off of there. You can send these out, and there's places on eBay that will clear that hard code, and you're good to go. Or the second option is just buy a used one with the same part number that has not been in an accident. Verify that when you get it. And here is the other one we're going to put on, and we're going to see if this takes care of the code. It's got the same part number, the AJ7, and you can see the last numbers there, 269, and we have the 269 on that one down there. So we'll go ahead and shut this off here, and we'll see if we can get rid of this code. And there's the code. I had two other codes for the other two sensors that were on, and once I cleared those, this code will stay forever. It is a hard code that gets put on that SRS computer. So just check with your manufacturers. Some manufacturers says that it's okay to reuse these if they're not damaged, and some say don't. So you know, might save you some money there. So what we're going to do is shut this off, and we'll go in the back here. I'm going to try to make this one quick video with no interruptions, hopefully. And there is this one here. Now to get this out, of course, I made a video earlier. You got to kind of get your console out and all that, and pull on that and all this. So if we can get this out of here, I don't know if I can or not, but I already wrote on this one. I actually may send it off and have it redone. That's what's left of it. And you can see the part number there ends in 269 and all that, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and hook up our new one here, or used one. I think I picked this one up for 25 bucks, free shipping. You would think they would make ODB2 code readers where you can actually erase these hard codes, but nope, can't do it. Alright, so we got that in there. Apologize for the camera not staying focused. Alright, we'll kind of set that in there like that. It doesn't have to be grounded, it has its own ground wire. Now, let's go in here and start this up. And if this works, it will make my day, because that means we are done on the inside here. The only thing I have to do is get the windshield replaced, because something hit it. Yeah, I'm not sure what. It's a shame, because I just got it inspected. Alright, so code's still on. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. Battery's getting really low in this thing. I'm going to have to get another battery. Alright, it's blinking there. See it there? Usually it'll go off and come back on 5-10 seconds later. Alright, looks like it's off. And by the way, check engine lights for the fan, cooling fan out there. It's got a short. I might have to replace it. All right, so that took care of it. So let's go in here and erase, see if we have any more codes. I'll pause this real quick and just bear with me a second here. Apologize for the dogs next door trying to bark. Been pretty quiet out here today. All right, we got the GM here. We'll zoom down to the bottom. 2002. And we got the truck. And we want the body, not the chassis. Go down to T for Trailblazer. Yeah, they make it exciting here to find this. You gotta dive deep into this thing. And there we go. We have our dual zone HVAC manual. Sometimes I just go to manual. SC, let's diagnose trouble codes. All right, let's see if we got any. And we're good. No more codes, no more airbag codes. Yay! So we're happy there. That took care of that. So, if you get into an accident, someone hits you and your airbags get deployed, don't pull your hair out too much. Usually these sensors you can replace, but the airbags you can replace, but these hard codes sometimes get stored and there's not much you can do about it. And we'll go back here in the back real quick before we end this video. Hopefully this will help one person out. If it helps one person out, then I've accomplished my goal. This is the old one here, and you can see the part number is 269 on the end there with the AJ7. So do a little research before you go out and just buy something like this. You might find something different than I found out. So that's it. I just wanted to get this taken care of, and it's all back together finally. And by the way, if you look closely, right over there, see that? You got another Trailblazer. I'll do a video on that later. Picked it up really cheap. But other than that, we are done here, my friends. All right, we'll shut it off one more time, cycle it here. There's the airbag light flashing, going through its cycling testing. It'll go off. And before, about 10 seconds later, it would come back on, 5 to 10 seconds. And obviously this one is staying off, so we have accomplished successfully what we attempted to do. So we are good to go. All right, so that's the end of that. So I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And until my next video, guys, thanks for watching. Until then, have a good day, and I'll see you later.